In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a web page inside Notion. If you want to keep useful websites, dashboards, or online tools directly inside your Notion workspace, this is a quick and practical feature to know. Embedding a web page lets you view that content without constantly switching between tabs, which can make your workflow feel much smoother. To begin, go to your Notion page. Open the page where you want the web content to appear. This could be a project page, a client workspace, a personal dashboard, or any page where having that website available would be helpful. Before moving on, make sure you're in the correct location because the embedded page will be added exactly where your cursor is placed. Next, click on the page and paste your URL. Simply select the area inside the Notion page where you want the embedded content to go, then paste the web address. This is the link to the page you want to display inside Notion. Try to use the full and correct URL so Notion can recognize it properly. If the link is incomplete or broken, the embed may not work as expected. Once you paste the URL, Notion will usually give you a few options for how to insert that link. This is where the important choice happens. From the Paste As menu that appears, click on Embed. That tells Notion you don't just want to store the link as text or a bookmark. You want the actual web page or an interactive preview of it displayed directly on the page. After you select Embed, Notion will place the web page into your document. Depending on the site, you may see a live preview, scrollable content, or a framed version of the web page. Keep in mind that some websites restrict embedding for privacy or security reasons, so if a page doesn't load inside Notion, it may be due to the website's own settings rather than anything you did wrong. A helpful tip is to give the embedded page enough space on your Notion layout so it's easier to view and interact with. If needed, you can also move the embed later by dragging it to a different part of the page. And that's it. By going to your Notion page, pasting your URL, and choosing Embed from the available options, you can quickly place a web page right inside Notion and keep your important resources all in one place.